SiaCoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about SiaCoin, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about SiaCoin. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the SiaCoin? Let me show you guys. But if you're new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the currently live and latest price of SiaCoin, so the current price of SiaCoin is about 0.018413 USD dollar. That is the current price. Other side, you can see here the changes of SiaCoin is completely going negative. So don't worry, guys. Now the changes is going wrong completely. But you know what? My prediction is not negative about SiaCoin, and SiaCoin is also a profitable coin in the market, but unfortunately now in the latest situation SiaCoin is going crazy, going negative. So that's not mean then you decide to sell. And guys, the currently update, the currently price prediction for SiaCoin is positive, guys. As you can see here, guys, if you look the price chart, so that is last 1 day price chart, and as you can see here, and the last 4 hours, in the last 2 hours, SiaCoin price start pumping, guys. So I recommend that, guys. You know what, I believe that for a long time, possibilities that for a long time SiaCoin will continue this pump. So just hold, guys. My prediction is that, guys, that possibilities and the last of October the price of SiaCoin will pump. It is the last week of October, so I believe that to the last 31 October price will only pump. So just hold, guys, don't decide to sell. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your price prediction for SiaCoin? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.